Hey hustlers and dreamers, are you tired of waiting for payday? Do you dream of earning some extra cash daily without the commitment of a 9 to 5? Well, fret no more. Today we're diving into the 5 hottest online jobs that pay you every single day, even if you have zero experience. That's right, no fancy degrees or years of training needed, just an internet connection, a curious mind, and a willingness to grind. So, let's skip the small talk and jump straight into the good stuff. Here are your 5 daily paychecks waiting to happen. Scene script. 1. Microtask. Master, imagine getting paid for tasks that take minutes, not hours. Microtask websites like Amazon Mechanical Turk or Clickworker offer bite-sized jobs like data entry, image tagging, or short surveys. It might not be big bucks per task, but the volume adds up and you get paid instantly for most completed tasks. Remember Sarah, the busy college student who needed extra cash for textbooks? Microtasks became her secret weapon. She'd squeeze them in between classes, during commutes, even while watching TV. By the end of the month, she had earned enough to cover her books and treat herself to a nice dinner. 1. Online Tutoring Guru. Share your knowledge and get paid daily. Platforms like Schooly or VIP Kid connect you with students worldwide who need help with various subjects. No teaching license? No problem. Many platforms offer training and certification programs. The best part? You set your own schedule and rates, and payments often hit your account within 24 hours of the lesson. Meet John, the retired history teacher who missed connecting with young minds. Online tutoring gave him that chance, and the daily income helped him pursue his passion for photography. Now he captures stunning landscapes while his students ace their exams. A win-win. 1. Data entry Dynamo. Do you have a keen eye for detail and enjoy organizing information? Data entry jobs are perfect for you. Companies constantly need help with tasks like transcribing audio, entering data into spreadsheets, or moderating online content. The best part? Many platforms offer daily payouts for completed tasks, and you can often choose projects that fit your interests. Voiceover. Transitioning now to our freelance writing wizard. Ever fancied using your gift of the gab to earn some quick cash? Then freelance writing could be your golden ticket to daily paychecks. Platforms like Upwork or Fiverr serve as the bridge between you and clients who are on the hunt for everything from creative blog posts to precise technical writing. The power is in your hands as you set your own rates, and many clients are ready to pay immediately upon completion of the project. The equation here is simple. The more you write, the more you can earn. And the cherry on top, you can work from anywhere. Picture this. Our freelance writing wizard now pens her thoughts from her beachfront home, earning daily paychecks while enjoying the soothing ocean view. What could be better than that? Voiceover. Let's shift gears to our social media manager now. Love scrolling through Instagram or Twitter? Why not get paid for it? Many businesses today are in desperate need of help managing their social media presence, and are more than willing to pay daily for your expertise. As a social media manager, you can schedule posts, respond to comments, and analyze engagement data. It's a fun and engaging way to earn money every day, especially if you're a social media addict. Picture this. Our social media manager now earns daily paychecks while helping businesses grow their online presence, all while scrolling through his favorite social platforms. Just imagine getting paid to do what you love, scrolling and posting. Voiceover. And there you have it, folks. 5 daily paycheck jobs that require no experience whatsoever. Remember, the key to success in these jobs is consistency and dedication. Whether you're mastering microtasks, tutoring online, diving into data entry, writing away as a freelancer, or managing social media, there's a daily earning opportunity waiting for you. So, why wait for payday when you can earn every day? Start your journey today and let us know how it goes. Until next time, keep hustling.